This 2024 Forest River Sunseeker LE3250 DSLE Ford is a Class C RV. It is located in Middlebury, Indiana, 46540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, rear bedroom. This 2024 Forest River Sunseeker LE3250 DSLE Ford is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.